Here's what's coming up. Knock. Knock. Who's there? You don't want to know. These are 10 scary videos caught on doorbell cameras. Number 10. Car thief. This thief is not fooling anyone. This would-be car thief was caught staring straight at the camera. When he sees it, it changes his heart. Not sure how he planned to escape with a car parked behind the target. Seems to me like this scheme wasn't well thought out at all. Number 9. Weird dude. Does this person have a stalker? This guy approached this lady in a park, and then 3 days later, showed up on her doorstep at 3 a.m. It looks to me like he's trying to adjust his stance to appear, I don't know, casual maybe. When no one answers, because again, it's 3 a.m., he does this. Number 8. Dance party. There's a dance party on your doorstep. YouTuber Yubrin Domain shares this video of bizarre behavior from a stranger on his doorstep. Watch what happens. First watch, I thought he had to use the bathroom and was taking a chance on this stranger to allow him in. But then the dance carried on for far too long. Some YouTubers think they know what's going on here. Maybe he's just giving the homeowner a free dance lesson. Maybe he's at the wrong house. I wouldn't jump to conclusions here, but I find it highly entertaining. Number 7. Ghost. Redditor who/B billionaire is, quote, not a ghost guy, but he thinks this doorbell capture is mysterious. After hearing a loud bang downstairs, the Redditor reviewed his camera's footage, only to find this. Watch the time. Firstly, it sounds like the doorbell is underwater. Then nearly 30 seconds are lost. Either the camera is frozen or time stands still. Then it goes back to normal. The Redditor says he didn't find anything that fell after hearing the loud noise downstairs, but after checking the camera, he felt suspicious. Many in the comments think the 30 missing seconds are from an interrupted Wi-Fi connection, preventing video data transmission. I agree, but the strange distorted sound at the beginning of the clip is difficult to explain. Number 6. Victorian Child Ghost. Submitted to the r/chills narrator subreddit by Emily Strange. The Redditor commented, Victorian Child Ghost from Ring Video Camera. Let's watch their submission and see what they mean. There was certainly some debate about this video in the comments. Basic_palpitation_47 wrote, "Just the kid must be someone's. But how would they look from the inside?" Emily said they don't have kids, and their yard is completely fenced in. So that means this was truly a ghost sighting. Have you seen on a Ring doorbell camera? Which side are you on here? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. Nightmare fuel. What happens when a fist-sized spider rings your doorbell? My guess is you have nightmares for life. Redditoroo/Interrofidos Sharks shares this nightmare fuel captured by their Ring camera at 1 a.m.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Please get off of my door. Sir, I don't appreciate you there. I'm calling 911.
It may just be my arachnophobia talking, but to me, we're in burn your house down territory. Number 4. Unidentified flying object. This guy almost got abducted by extraterrestrials. YouTuber The Howard Family 7743 shares a video of an unidentified flying object caught on his doorbell camera. The YouTuber said he was returning from a shop, and it felt very creepy outside. When his wife looked at their doorbell footage, they saw this. If not an unidentified flying object, do you know what it could be? I'm stumped on this one, even if it's not extraterrestrial related. Number 3. Scary face. Imagine waking up to this face. YouTube channel, Scary Moments, shares this doorbell video that's haunting my dreams. While I'm not sure if this is a joke or if it isn't, I have no clue what to make of it. All I know is I'm definitely walking up to every doorbell cam I see to deliver the same mystery. Number 2. Blade Lady. What's scarier than a stranger on your doorstep? A stranger with a blade. YouTube channel, Creepy Chronicles, shares this footage of a stranger who is armed. Look closely. In her hand is a blade.
I don't think she ever even rings the doorbell.
My guess is that this lady either has dementia or she's on something. Despite holding the blade, I don't think she's here for any nefarious purpose, but she needs help. Regardless, considering you don't know what she might be up to, I would probably call the police and keep my door closed. Number 1. Officer Soros. This is a hide-and-seek game I want no part of. There's a criminal running loose, and Officer Soros is it. TikToker at Maximum Fear shares this terrifying doorbell footage of his search for the suspect.
Is someone there?
This is Officer Soros, Garden Police Department. Yes, I just chased the subject around your house, and I was making sure he wouldn't have came in here. Do you guys have any kids?
No, we don't have any kids. It's just me and my husband. We both work during the day.
The suspect has fled, and the officer needs our help.
Do I need to go
Okay,
home?
well, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
If you could check, see if your camera picked up any motion. We're looking for a subject in a red t-shirt. Okay.
And thanks to the doorbell footage, he gets it. The police race to the backyard.
Where's that at?
Unfortunately, the video cuts off, and the fact that we don't know how it ends, in my opinion, makes it one of the scariest videos caught on a doorbell camera. Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story. Don't forget to subscribe, save, and hit the bell icon.